In today's video, we're diving into the battle of AI tools for SEO, Frase versus SurferSEO. If you've been wondering which one can help you achieve your SEO goals more efficiently, stick around. I'll walk you through each tool's strengths, weaknesses, and give you my take on which one comes out on top. Let's start with Frase. It's known for its AI-driven content creation, allowing you to generate high-quality articles based on search intent. The AI writes for you, and its content briefs feature is pretty solid. You get a breakdown of top-performing content for your target keywords, which is helpful for planning your strategy. But it's not perfect. Sometimes, the content feels a bit generic or needs heavy editing. If you're looking for precision in your SEO content, Frase might leave you tweaking it more than you'd like. Still, it's a strong contender in the content generation department. Next thing, SurferSEO. It focuses heavily on optimization, helping you improve existing content with data-driven insights. The audit feature is where SurferSEO shines, giving you recommendations on what needs to change to improve rankings. What's impressive is how it integrates with other platforms like Google Docs, making it easier to work directly within your workflow. But SurferSEO has its downsides too. Its user interface can feel a bit overwhelming with all the data it throws at you, especially for beginners. Plus, its content creation features aren't as strong as Phrase's, so it's more of a tool for optimizing rather than creating from scratch. Now, when it comes to keyword research, Frase and SurferSEO both have their strengths. Frase uses its AI to suggest keywords and topics based on your content, while SurferSEO takes a more analytical approach with its keyword research tool. SurferSEO allows you to see exactly how well you're positioned for your target keywords and what the competition looks like, making it invaluable for someone looking to get detailed insights. But Phrase's AI-driven suggestions can be more innovative in finding hidden keyword opportunities, so there's a bit of a trade-off there. The fourth thing, pricing. Frase offers more affordable options, especially if you're just starting out or running a small business. SurferSEO, on the other hand, can be a bit pricey, particularly for users who need access to all of its features. But with SurferSEO, you're paying for its depth of analysis and advanced optimization features. So if you have the budget and need more than just content creation, SurferSEO might be worth the investment. Next, let's talk integrations. Frase has a more streamlined setup, integrating well with tools like Google Analytics and WordPress. SurferSEO, however, offers a bit more flexibility when it comes to integrations, particularly for teams working with multiple content management systems. So, if you're running a larger operation, SurferSEO might offer the edge here. But here's the thing, both Frase and SurferSEO are solid SEO tools. They each have their unique strengths, and both can boost your SEO game if used the right way. However, after trying both and looking at efficiency and ease of use for specific SEO goals, there's another alternative I think you should consider. If you're looking for a more streamlined, efficient solution that's going to save you time and effort, check out the first link in the description for the best free trial. You'll get exclusive benefits, including access to features that can truly accelerate your SEO results. So, while Frase and SurferSEO have their place in the SEO toolbox, if you want to cut through the noise and focus on achieving your SEO goals more efficiently, give that free trial a try. It's a no-brainer.